So in this guide, we're going over how you can get Yoda here in Aura Craft. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it does help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by combining water and fire to get yin yang, and then go ahead and combine that with water to get monk. Put monk and fire together, and this is going to give you ninja. And once you have ninja, drag that off to the side a little bit, and you need to go ahead and get yourself another monk, which I need to scroll down a little bit in order to find. But drag monk off to the side, and then also go ahead and find yourself plant on here and drag that off to the side. Combine plant and time to get yourself life. And now you have these three sitting off. And then essentially what you need to do now is just bring this right up here. Grab yourself another plant and a plant to make a tree. I'm just going to drag tree out here. Combine those two trees to make air. Combine air and monk to make calm. And then calm and ninja to make zen. Once you have zen, what you need to do is drag another earth out here. So let me go ahead and grab one of those. Put it about right there. Combine earth and wind to get dust. And once you have dust, combine that with water to get energy. Combine energy and life to get power, and once you have power, combine that with some energy to get super. After that, find life in here one more time, combine that with super to get superhero. Then we need to get air again, so combine two trees to get air. Combine wind with air to get sky, and combine those skies to get space. As you can kind of see where we're going with this right now, get space and superhero together, you get Jedi. Jedi and Zen is going to give you Yoda. And now you have Yoda just like so. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.